All right, guys, Justin here with a quick update for you. Last you saw, we had these electrical panels and we were starting on electrical. So you can see we've started doing some branch wiring, hence all these tails hanging down, waiting to be terminated in the panels. We got maybe a third to halfway done, so you can see we've finished the living room. Back over here, we've finished the branch wiring in Sharon's office. And most of the kitchen as well. You may be noticing there is lots and lots and lots of stuff in here. That's because we have multiple projects going at the same time. We got our wire reels, all of our tools and charging station. And we got quite a bit of wiring done here in the kitchen. We got some lights coming down. We got the big wire for our stove. Over here, we got lots of wires for all kinds of things. More details on all the wiring later, but this is just a quick update. So we were working around the kitchen, and we got to this wall, which is common to the bathroom on the other side, and realized that before we do any wires through there, we better get the plumbing done, since wires are more flexible than plumbing. So with that in mind, we'll come over here. Sharon is working away in the mechanical room. As you can see, we've started some plumbing efforts. So we've got our water lines going to come in down there through this filter. A bunch of water heaters and stuff. More details on all that later. Sharon is working on some waterproofing. We're basically using the same materials we used on the outside of the shell in order to make this little mechanical room, kind of watertight at the base. There will be that pan for the water heater. But there's lots of stuff in there that wants to leak someday, so the idea is that if water gets in there, it will not soak into the concrete or the walls and go down that little drain hole that she's working around right now. Okay, lots more details about electrical and plumbing later. This is just a quick update. We'll see you next time.